Guys, kamusta? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening kung nasan ka man yan. So for today's video ay gagawa ulit tayo ng reaction video. So this is the very first time. Oh my god, masakit sa first time.
Yun.
This is the very first time na mag-react tayo dito sa paboritong banda ng bayan. So this is France Redeem. Oh my god, this is very amazing band, father and kids band. So this is since 5 days left Christmas na. So Merry Christmas to all of you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in here in my YouTube channel always, and thank you so much for supporting me guys. This is the very first time na mag-react tayo sa father and kids band. So this is Prince Redeem. This title cover, Merry Christmas. The war is over. So John Lennon to guys, yung kanyang cover. So first of all, before that we start or we proceed, please, I really highly recommend to check out this channel. So talagang nakaka-good vibes yung kanilang mga content, and talagang hindi ka magsisisi kapag ikaw ay napunta dito. So ililink ko yung kanilang channel sa aking description box para mapanood nyo rin sa yung kanilang content. So what's we're gonna do? Oh, my airplane. So before that, pasensya na kasi nasa rooftop ako and hindi ko alam kung maganda yung kalalabasan nito. But anyway, let's go guys kasi I'm so excited. And Merry Christmas to all of you guys, sa lahat ng mga viewers dito sa Pilipinas. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year na rin. Advance Merry Christmas. So let's go. Ay, grabe ang lamig. Grabe ang lamig. So tara, let's go. So this is Christmas. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, this is the very first time na mapakinggan ko to. And magre-react tayo kasi lagi kong napapanood to at dumadaan sa feed ko na sobrang galing nila, sobrang successful ng mga premiere nila. So ang dami ko ng dal-dal guys. Let's go.
MC Pretty. MC Pretty.
Magtatatlong taon na rin na hindi ako nakapag-celebrate ng Christmas. Anyway, malapit-lapit na rin tayo umuwi, guys. So, maybe next time. So, that song was really amazing. And, sobrang natats ako dun, guys. Nakakamiss tuloy. Okay. Nakakamiss tuloy umuwi ng Pinas. Guys, grabe, no? Ang galing, ang ganda. And thank you so much to the friends with them, to the sharing that I cover. Sobrang ganda, sobrang galing. And talagang napahanga ko dun. Grabe. Kahit na sa ganun man lang, maramdaman naming mga OFW, lalo na sa mga OFW dito, na bibihira lang nang nagsiselebrate ng Christmas kasi walang Christmas dito sa lugar na to, guys. But anyway, that song is perfect and thank you so much. Please check out the Friends Redeem. So I'm linking on my box ang kanilang channel so you can watch it also. So this is the very end, guys, and thank you so much. Sana samahan niyo pa ako sa susunod ulit na reaction ko and magkita-kita tayo next time. Merry Christmas!